got an opportunity to have a conversation with your crush. Here's what you do. Hey Mahmoud. Hey Bella, what's going on? I'm kinda dealing with estrogen issues these days. Don't do girl voice, please. Oh, I'm sorry, that must be hard. And the end. You ruined the conversation because you didn't know what to say. Actually, I don't know what to say either, but I know what you said was completely wrong. Now look at this. Hey Mahmoud. Hey Bella, what's going on? I'm kinda dealing with estrogen issues these days. Estrogen issues? Yeah, I mean my body isn't regulating it. That affects my body and also my behavior. How can it affect your behavior? I get nervous, angry, and sometimes sad. Angry? Yeah, I just yelled at my brother yesterday. Did you get the point? This trick is based on just one rule. Ask open questions about last sentence she or he said. Ask open questions. I mean, not yes-no questions. Important note. Just use this trick when you're out of words. If you've got something interesting about topic, use it.